Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find freelance job on Flexjob. Flexjob is a leading online platform designed to help people find remote, part-time, freelance and flexible jobs. Unlike general job boards, Flexjob screen every job listing to ensure it is legitimate and scam-free. The platform includes thousands of opportunities across industries like writing, marketing, designs, customer service, and programming, and more. Flexjob is a subscription based, which means you need to pay a small fee, but in return, you get access to high quality, vetted job posting tools to enhance your profile and career resources to help you succeed in remote work. So first you need to open to the Google Chrome or any of the web browser, and in the top there's a search bar. Type down flexjob.com. After that you'll get into this interface of the official Flexjob website. Over here you can select the keywords in the top, type down freelance, contract or specific skill, and over here you can also filter it by category, job type, experience level and the location. Here you can set your current location, or if you want to work from anywhere in the US, or you can work from anywhere in the world. Under this job, adjust other filters like career level or schedule flexibility to narrow down the results, and each listing includes detailed information about the company, pay range and the required skill. Flexjob flags whether the job is entry level, intermediate or expert, helping you choose opportunities suited to your experience. And after that you can click to the job you're interested in and follow the instruction to apply, which may involve submitting resume, portfolio or cover letter. And Flexjob often provides company background info and tips for applying effectively. And after that you can set up email alerts for freelance positions matching your skills so you never miss new opportunities. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to find freelance job on Flexjob. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any confusions or trouble, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.